In this React interview question, we're asked, if you had to implement a custom deep equality check for component props, how would you do it in a class component versus a functional component? This challenge is all about performance optimization. By default, React does shallow comparisons, which may miss changes in deeply nested objects or arrays. That's where deep equality comes in. On the left, we have the class component approach. Here, we override a special method called shouldComponentUpdate. Inside, instead of just checking if the reference changed, we perform a deep comparison between the old props and the new props. If they are deeply equal, React skips the re-render. On the right, we have the functional component approach. We wrap the component with React.memo and provide a custom comparison function. That function also performs a deep comparison between previous props and next props. If they're the same, React skips re-rendering. The key difference is that in a class, we return false when things are the same, but in React.memo, we return true when things are the same. It's opposite logic, but the goal is the same, preventing unnecessary updates. So, when should we actually use deep equality? It's most useful when props are complex, like nested objects, arrays, or form data, where shallow checks might miss real changes. But there's a trade-off. Deep comparisons are slower, because React has to check every nested property. So, only use them when the cost of an extra render is higher than the cost of doing the deep comparison. Pro tip: libraries like Lodash provide ready-to-use deep comparison functions, and you can even memoize results to avoid repeated expensive checks. Always remember, measure first before optimizing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications